Hello and welcome. Today we're going to explore how to link your warehouse systems using the app connector. Let's jump right in. Click on APP Connector. The system supports three types of warehouse linking methods, with the default mode being No Warehouse System. The No Warehouse System means that your orders will not enter any warehouse. Item WMS mode means that your order will enter the product warehouse. Before configuring the Item WMS mode, ensure that you've set up the relevant warehouse information in the Item WMS system. After configuration, select the customer of Item WMS here, and we will display all your warehouse lists. Unis-wise mode means that your order will enter Unis-wise's warehouse. Before configuring Unis-wise mode, ensure that you've set up the relevant warehouse information in the Unis-wise system. You will receive an authorization code. After that, click the Apply button. That's how you link your warehouses using the app connector. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful guides. See you next time.